welcome to my channel. This is showing you how to make money with AI. If this is your first time watching my video, kindly subscribe to my channel, like it, and share my video. So in this video, I'll show you guidance on how to make money with AI step by step. So please watch this video to the end and let's go. The first thing you have to do is you have to know about the overview of the AI on how to make money. First thing you have to know is the introduction, create content, create apps and websites, offer AI service, and unlock the power of AI. So introduction, what is AI? AI or artificial intelligence, that's the name. It is like giving superpowers to computers. It helps them think and do things that usually need human intelligence with AI. Computers can understand what we say, recognize what they say, what they see, and even create things like art and stories. So let's go to the how to create content. And how to create content for you, how to make money. It's just like use AI to write articles, just make use of ChatGPT or another AI platform that you can also use to generate content for your articles, stories, or even books. So you can use AI to generate books for yourself. Create unique acts, music, or videos using AI tools. You can use some video skits, AI app like image like hyper realistic images and stuff like that. Videos, AI videos, and AI stuff. There are a lot of platforms that usually generate AI music for you. So I'll be listing some in my next video that I'll be dropping. So please subscribe to my channel. So the next one is you have to sell your AI generated content online. So by making use of your social media account to sell AI generated content you generate online. So that's another big one. The second one is build apps and websites. The first thing you have to do is develop smart apps that communicate with users. The second thing you have to do is create a website that deliver personalized information based on user needs. Maybe there are some people that need important updates on, let me just say, based on different kind of, let me just say news. Let me just take news as an example. You can create a website that will be generating news for people, like updates that people need to know about what's going on, like in this in the world, like based on technologies and stuff like that. So you can be generating personal information for people who are into technology, stuff like that. So another one is earn revenue through as sales or subscriptions on your AI-powered platforms. So how do you do that? It's just like whenever you build an app or website, your app can be monetized. So when your app is monetized, you can start earning money through running ads on your apps. So another way is just like making use of websites. When you're monetized, you can start earning money on your website also. So those are the two ways you can monetize your website and apps. So the other one is offer AI service. Offer AI service just like help business by creating chatbots to assist their customers. So you can use those just like there are a lot of people who need chatbots like to help them reply message to their customers when they are not able to reply to their customer. Maybe they just tell them, yeah, the chatbots will just be we the want to reply to them immediately. Like please kind of take a step on how to do so that maybe what do you do? You can kindly drop your whatever you like. Maybe you're trying to ask about what this service is all about. The AI chatbot will be able to reply immediately. Like, yeah, we're offering this also kind of service on this how we assist the customers. So now it's offer data analytics service using AI tools. So using AI tools, like you offer data analytics that generated or using your AI tools, like you can make use of ChatGPT to generate data is based on any service. So another one is teach others how to use AI and by sharing your knowledge. It's like you monetizing the knowledge you, you acquire from yourself just by getting more about just by knowing more about ChatGPT. Like let me just make it a ChatGPT as an example. Maybe you already know you're in and out of ChatGPT. Then just make use of that. In and out of ChatGPT. You can start and tell them that this is how I make use of ChatGPT to earn so amount of money. Maybe I use it to earn like $10,000 to like $20,000. So you can just share it with them that this is how ChatGPT really helped me to make this a lot of money. So the next one is getting started is easy, but you don't need to be an expert to start making money with AI. You don't, because when you start somewhere When you start making use of it constantly, you constantly become an expert day by day. So there is all begin by learning basics through simple lessons and example. So that's all. Use beginner friendly AI tools to create, build, and experiment with different ideas. Other was discover new AI project ideas that you can turn into profitable ventures. So always discover a new AI ideas like trying to brainstorm yourself, brainstorm an idea for yourself. Just trying to make sure that you get this down. Always try whatever your just generate from yourself, like the idea you generated from yourself. Just make sure you try it out because you don't know which one is actually going to convert for you guys. So always make sure you do that. So the last one you have to know is unlock the power of AI. Yeah. Allow to unlock the power of AI is like AI is like a superpower that lets you create incredible things while earning money online. With a bit of learning and a lot of creativity, you can turn AI into your personal money making machine. Start an AI journey today and unlock limitless opportunities. So in my next video, I'm sharing the theory, the practical theory that you need to know. So make sure you stay tuned to my so please can subscribe to my channel and like it. If you really enjoyed this my video, can you subscribe to my channel?